This is the video tutorial for the Happy Days Layla Lavender bag. And this is how we make it. And this is what you'll need. 2 small pieces of contrasting fabric in cotton, a small piece of trim, a small piece of ribbon, a button, dried lavender and some toy stuffing. With the larger piece of your lavender bag right sides up, take your trim and place it on the top edge. Add some pins or clips. I've added a few clips, or you could use pins if you wish, and I'm going to take it over to the sewing machine. I'm going to put my zipper foot on so I get fairly close to the edge and sew all along. This is just a holding stitch to stop everything moving. I've sewn my pom-pom trim quite close to the edge to stop it moving, and now I'm going to take the other piece of fabric and I'm going to place it right sides together on top, lining up the sides and edges, and then add a few clips along the top edge. I've added a few clips, or you could use pins, and I'm now going to take it over to the sewing machine and sew all the way across using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. I've sewn all the way across. I did keep my zipper foot on at this stage as well. Now open out and take your ribbon and fold your ribbon in half, and then with the folded end facing down, place it at the top in the centre. You could measure it if you wish. I'm just eyeballing it, and add a clip. I'm now going to take it over the sewing machine and carefully tack quite close to the edge my ribbon into place. I've tacked my ribbon into place. Now I'm going to fold over, line everything up, tuck the pom-poms in a bit, and then add some clips along this edge and along this edge. I've added my clips, and now I'm going to take it over the sewing machine using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, sew all along this side and along this side. Won't be sewing across the top yet. I've sewn down both sides and snipped each of the corners. I'm now going to turn it the right way out through the top. I've turned it the right way out, and now I'm going to add my lavender first and then add my stuffing on top. I've put my lavender in first at the bottom, and then I put my toy stuffing in, and now we've got to seal up this top. Fold over your raw edges, pull it apart so it's nice and taut, and then add some clips. And then take it over to the sewing machine and sew all the way across. I've sewn across, and the final step to complete our lavender bag is to add your button. I've sewn my button on, and that's our Layla Lavender bag all finished. This is the video tutorial for the Happy Days Layla Lavender bag, and this is how we make it.